Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and launching the setup. This prevents interruptions. Sign into Windows with your Microsoft account or open OneDrive app from start. If OneDrive isn't installed, download from Microsoft Store and run the installer. Otherwise, click the cloud icon. Once signed in, OneDrive prompts for folder location. Pick default or custom if you need a specific drive. Make this choice now because it determines where files sync locally and how storage is managed. Now you'll configure detailed sync options so OneDrive behaves predictably. In the OneDrive settings, go to Account, choose Folders, then select only the folders you need locally. This reduces disk use. Next, enable Files on Demand if you want placeholders that download on open. This saves bandwidth and storage. Then open Network Settings to cap upload/download speeds and toggle syncing on metered connections. These choices control performance and costs, so set limits based on your connection and storage goals. Finish by confirming files have synced and adjusting startup behavior. Look at the OneDrive icon. Green check means files available offline. Blue rotating arrows indicate active sync. Enable Start with Windows if you want continuous background syncing. If a file fails, right-click and select View Online or always keep on this device to force download. If sync stalls, sign out and back in, restart OneDrive, or use the reset command in settings. This refreshes connections without deleting cloud copies, which preserves your data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.